The back of the collet will be marked with the size of stock it will run. In this case, the bar size is 25.5 millimeters or 1 inch and 2 thousandths. The OD of the collet is 32 millimeters. This is important since the OD of the collet must match the size of the channel guides to fit through them during automatic operation. The ID of the collet must match the size of the new stock. If the stock size is much different, the channel guides, pusher, and pusher collets will all need to be changed. Slide the new collet over the pusher tip and insert and tighten the set screws you removed earlier. The gripper is not changed when stock size is changed. The machine automatically adjusts the upper and lower gripper positions based on the stock size. It will center the bar so it aligns with the pusher collet. The next procedure is to set up the roller steady located just before the bar enters the lathe collet. The purpose of the roller steady is to minimize bar movement so it can enter the lathe collet easily during the stock feed portion of the cycle. The roller steady can be turned on and off with the F8 button on the panel. On the older panel, the F6 button turns it on and off. Loosen the cover clamp bolts and remove the cover. There are sets of rollers on the top and bottom. They must be adjusted for the diameter of bar stock for the new job. Begin by placing a piece of the bar stock onto the roller steady. There are two adjustments. The shorter knob sets the roller steady off position of the rollers, and the taller knob sets the roller steady on position of the rollers. The roller steady off knob controls how far the rollers will open when in the off mode, as shown here. Turn counterclockwise to increase the opening and clockwise to reduce the opening. They must open just far enough to allow the pusher collet to enter the roller steady. This will make sure that as many pieces as possible can be produced from each bar length. The rollers open and close at the same time as the lathe collet during the bar feed cycle. Once the pusher collet moves forward to within 5 inches of the roller steady, the rollers will automatically stay open. The locking nuts must be loosened before any adjustment can be made to either knob. Open and close the roller steady by pressing the F8 button to see the amount of movement of the rollers.